Welcome back to another cooking episode, and today we're going to make a little something that I invented on accident, just as a joke one time, but it turned out was pretty good. So what we're going to be making is the chicken bacon potato sandwich. Yeah, let's get to it. Let's change the world out there. Alrighty, so we're going to go with like the deli lunch meat style chicken, and then we got our bacon, there's a tiny little potato, and a chunk of bread that I'm just going to use as a sandwich. And all right, let's get to her. Okay, so you want to chuck your potato in first because it's going to take longer than everything else. And there ain't really much to it. You're just going to stir it up in a frying pan, a little salt and pepper. And that's pretty much all that's going to do, or need. But yeah, so that's all there it is. And then in a few minutes, we'll get the bacon started. Oh yeah, almost forgot. Hit it with a little butter. It's just going to make anything better. And then over on the other burner, we're just going to toss our bacon in. And I guess I didn't let it heat up enough, but oh well. And you're just going to cook that to whatever your desired level of crispiness, sogginess, whatever you're into, man. Okay, so now the bacon's making that proper noise. Turned out my burner had kicked off for some reason, but just because you needed to hear it sizzle. There you go. Alright, so the potatoes they're pretty much done right here. We're going to go ahead and kick them off to the side because we need to reuse this pan for a little something else too. As we just pulled the chicken out of the fridge, right? So, we want to heat it up, and since it's the lunch meat chicken, here's the beauty of it. We don't have to cook it, we're just making it warm. That one fell apart, but it's fine. So we're just, that's only take like a minute or so. Alright, that's all good and done, warmed up, and I kind of shredded it to pieces, but I mean, that's fine, like, it's just gonna eat it anyways. And bacon's just about done over on the other side. So now we're gonna clear some space in this same one again. And then, just go ahead and toast the bun real quick while the bacon's finishing up. So if I can do it without breaking it in half, that'd be cool. Oh, that perfect fit. Okay, so here's the final bit of what we're working with here. And, let's go load her up. Okay, so clearly I got tired of waiting on the toast job like halfway through, but I mean, she's still, she's got a little some crispiness in there. Anyways, how am I going to, okay, there we go. So, throw on the chicken first. Oops, here's the one that got all torn up, but I mean, it's still going to taste good. But presentation does count for something, I guess. That sandwich ain't going to close like that. Oh, jeez. Okay, I'll just pretend to be not so dumb for a second. And then there we go with that. And we just kind of gently lay our little potatoes on there. It's kind of a weird sandwich topping, but trust me, man, it is great. And then we throw our bacon on too. But there is one more thing that I kind of kept secret from you. And it's what brings it all together. Once you got it all set and done, we just top it off with a little gravy. And that is just going to change your entire attitude about the day right there. That's going to make everything worthwhile. So, yeah, let's just eat up. All right, it's time for the tasty deliciousness. So we can get this thing to close. Oh, look at that. Just take a... get that in there. I don't know. It's going to be good, though. Oh, yeah. That is the stuff. Like, I mean, it'll probably put a few pounds on you before the day's over, but it's totally worth it. It's the combination of these things, they just create something new, and it is just amazing, especially the gravy part. But I kind of put gravy on pretty much anything. I can put gravy on pizza, bacon, fried potatoes. What else I put gravy on? Corn and gravy, yeah, there's a good one. If you ever tried corn and gravy, man, just give it a go, but that's not the topic of the day. It's the chicken, bacon, potato, and gravy sandwich. So, pretty simple. And what you do is, like, I just made just one for myself, but you just make a bunch of everything, and you have, like, a bunch of friends over, and, you got, like, 5 or 6 sandwiches right there. Or you save the leftovers all for yourself because, I mean, it's not one that you really want to share anyways because it's that good. But, yeah, man. Give it a try. So good. Uh-oh. Bye.